Hello everyone, this is Robin and welcome to mypinkstamper.com. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're new, welcome. If you're one of my returning viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a not so traditional card using our Geared Up Garage stamp set along with the Garage Gears framelit set. This can be purchased in a bundle, saving you 10%. All right, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. If you have any questions, I will have all of the items I used along with the item code directly across the screen at the end of this video and in the description of this video tutorial. Okay, so I'm using Melon MAMBO as my main color for this card. So I love it so much. I'm so excited. Okay. What should we do first? Let's go ahead and start with our stamping. And we are using a scrap piece of our Whisper White cardstock. You can hear the wind outside. It's a really windy day today. And I'm using it with the Melon MAMBO. I'm going to be inking up the car. Stamping it on there, a Melon MAMBO car. I wish I had a car that color, although I don't think my boys or my husband would like that as much as I like it. All right, and then I stamped "You Jumpstart My Heart." I'm going to set that aside. Now I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock that's cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4. And I have these little, I think they're bolts. No, maybe they're nuts. I don't know, maybe I'm nuts. I'm not sure what they're called now that I'm doing a video. This is going to go on the inside of my card, and I'll pull that aside for now and I'll tell you why in just a few minutes. That is all the stamping we're doing on this card. Now we're going to pull out our Big Shot, and I'm going to do a little bit of embossing with one of our embossing folders. I have a piece of our Melon MAMBO cardstock. This is cut at 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And I'm using our something striped. I'll have it on this. I don't know everything. I don't know all of the items. I'm sorry, by heart. I'll have the name of it on my screen for you. I used to write them in Sharpie, the name of them. I guess I didn't with this one. So I'm going to have my paper, it's going to be portrait, but I want the stripes across. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put this in my Big Shot, and it's sandwiched between 2 cutting pads, just the regular cutting pads, and then the bottom is our standard platform. Okay. And I have this right here. And I have a nice little lined background. I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm using our precision base platform, and this is just on the regular platform. It's just something separate you can purchase for nice and precise cuts. I'm using our silver glimmer paper. This comes in sheets of 12 by 12 and a pack of 2. And I'm just using one of my scraps, and I'm using these fun gears on here. I think those are gears. And I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to mechanical stuff. Mechanics. That's okay. This is all about card making today. It's not about how much I know about cars. I definitely would fail that one. I'm going to go ahead and it'll pop right out, and then we're going to pop that out in just a few minutes. Set this aside. You don't want to, definitely don't want to throw away any glimmer paper ever. Now I'm going to take the frame of the car and put it around the car. And then I'm using this frame right here from the framelit set. Oops. And I'm going to put that around "You Jumpstart My Heart." I'm going to fix this because I just knocked it away, knocked it over. And run this through. There we go. And we have one more item for the Big Shot. These pop right out. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a scrap piece of our silver foil sheet, and I'm going to cut the car again one more time. And then that's all. You can set this aside. Have my car. And I can put this card together. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Well, actually, what we're going to do first. Actually, I love it when people say that like me all the time. I don't mean to say it so much, I just do. We're just going to use our Big Shot die brush. And this is perfect for this because it just gets all the little, most of the things out. And then you can just poke them out with your finger or with our paper piercer. Or the Take Your Pick tool has a nice poker on it. I think there's one more. There we go. There we go. I think I have them all. And there's one there. All right. That's them. That's all of them. Now we can put this card together. I'm actually going to make a handful of these. And one of you, if you've placed an online order with me, this might be your thank you card for your order. All of my online customers receive a handmade thank you card from me in the mail with their thank you package. So this is a good one for me to do because you'll get Melon Mambo. Who doesn't want Melon Mambo? Well, maybe some of you don't, but a lot of us like Melon Mambo. I do, at least. Okay, I am mumbling. Okay, I have a piece of our basic black cardstock. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And I've just folded it in half. And I'm going to take this piece here that we just had. I'm going to use our snail adhesive. And I'm going to make sure that I put the snail on all 4 sides. And I'm adding this to a piece of our silver foil sheet. This is cut at 4 by 5.25. And I already told you the size of this one earlier in the video when I was embossing it, I think. I think so. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn this over. Just add some adhesive on the back. And this card is going to be a portrait card. I have it like this. Look at how pretty that is already. Ooh, ooh, so pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and, where did I put it? We will put this piece, since this is a basic black base, we want to put a lighter piece inside that we can write on, because I get that question a lot. You can use we have a white pen, or we used to have a white chalk. We have a white chalk pen that you can use. If you don't want to use that, you can just put a lighter color in there. Now I have a strip of basic black cardstock. This is cut at 1/2 inch by 3 3/4. Put this on here. And now I'm going to take these gears, and I have some of our glue dots. I love using our glue dots. They are just fabulous. So I'm just going to add a few. I'm not adding a million. I'm just adding some. It'll keep it down where I put it on. Just kind of randomly. I think I have most of them. Most of the shifts, the gear shifts. I'm going to add this right here. Push that on where they go. Now I'm going to take our snail adhesive again and add it onto this car. And I'm going to stagger this car, put this on the silver like this. Flip these over. And I'm going to use our Stampin' dimensionals, and I'm going to add 3 on the car. And 2 on this element. Take the backings off. And I will go ahead and add this right here. And I'm going to add this just kind of up in here. There we go. We have our Geared Up Garage pink card for variation, since I've made this, used this bundle with using a lot of different colors. This was not one of them. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you are new to my channel and you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my video tutorials for you. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.